Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Met with the rest of the world, and especially the eyes of the Americans, is how can this be allowed to happen? But you saw in that room with the standing ovation, he is met with...
Whoa. Impact detected. Connecting
What
to the emergency call.
Man. Bro, like you came out of nowhere?
4 or lower. Now, here's the rub with that. Because Dungeons and Dragons doesn't make any sense, there are no large beasts at level 4. So what I'd like to do is, elephants are technically a size above large, but I'd like to use elephant stats and say they're large creatures for the purpose of our operation.
That is fine.
Okay. So here are the stats.
Holy shit, that person almost died.
We just want to know if everything's alright. Yeah, I got a video. I'll show you guys. What the? What is that?
The guy almost hit me. I'll pull it up on recorded. I'll put his butt on YouTube.
What the f, bro? Yo! Hey! Hey! What's wrong with you? Hey! You were on camera. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Still with no lights.
Ooh.
What the? Wow. Sorry, guys. No, I just gotta reach on you.
En ese campamento.
What are we?
I got that on camera.
Video is now locked.
Should we stop and like?
Yeah.
Since we're bystanders, we just watched the whole thing.
You can't turn. This car is disabled pretty much.
Go, mother.
hit. There's a psycho in a truck driving the wrong way. He's being chased. That's why he was, yeah. He was being chased by one, now 3 more cop cars are coming. Here's a 4th cop car. And is it plugged in? Oh my god, now there's a parade of police in the westbound lane. There's like 20 cop cars, and there's still more cop cars coming the wrong way. Look, I'm getting over. Well, the thing is, they've already passed, so I don't know why there's more cops coming this way.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.